Hello guys, my name is Uka Benjamin. Okay, please, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel. In the last video I introduced a five-fold strategy to forecast and predict accurately. Did I say accurately? Yes. To some extent, though this is not a financial advice, but I've been using it for quite some time and it has been working. Okay, I actually introduced this five-fold strategy to forecast the price of Euro USD Forex market, and I explained to us the importance of restructuring your data once or whenever you're doing a time series or a time series forecasting work. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, for this, we'll be importing the data set. I've already saved it in my PC. After that, we'll be doing a kind of slicing, expanding the data set, adding the previous days data up to the previous 10 days data, and also doing the pre-processing of the dataset, and I'll be adding technical indicators. Now we are actually forecasting the price of markets, the forex market. It also works for crypto, also works for the stock market, but today we'll be doing the forex part of it, Euro USD, and I'll be showing you how we can actually restructure this data. So like you can see on the screen, I've actually written the code. I just want this video to be as short as possible. Now the first thing you do is to import all necessary libraries, regular pandas, speedy, matplotlib, .pyplot for visualization, and then numpy as NP. And then for the technical indicators, I have added such as RSI 14, MACD, moving average, convergence, divergence, and stochastic RSI, exponential moving average, and the moving average. You do that using the tar library. So you can also, for you might not have pip installed the tar library. All you need to do now is to create a new cell and run the code pip install tar. Okay, the next thing here is to call in our data and save it as a data frame. After which you go ahead to do the slicing. You create two different data frames, one for the previous day's data and the other for the current day data, and then we add the technical indicators. See the code here. I'm just trying to go through this so that we can get straight into PyCaret regression. Okay, look at it, and then after doing this, we now concatenate both the previous day's data and the current day data to form a single data frame and data set. So if you do that correctly, your data would look like this. And then the next thing is to drop those columns with no values, say NaN, NaN, and after then we reset our meshed data frame, and then we remove any duplicate columns. And then I would suggest for you can also do the same thing by making your date column to appear as the first column in your data set. Then at this point, I'll create two data frames, one for, like you can see here, please watch, one for the training and the testing, and then the other for the live prediction. And then this is what the answer, the response will look like. And then after that, please let's get straight to PyCaret regression. I'm using the setup function here, and I've said data is equals to ds, which is our data frame for training and testing. And then the target is the close column. That's the column we are working on forecasting. And then I have also set the data split shuffle as false, because this is actually a time series data set, and polynomial is equal to true, but I'm not using that for now. And then this is what it gives. You can also run it and you get the same thing. And then I have moved over to doing the compare model functions. Now with PyCaret, you can compare all the available algorithms in PyCaret library for PyCaret regression or PyCaret time series, whatsoever, whichever you're doing. It gives you the opportunity to use quite a number of these models at once. So, but instead of spending our time doing that, I've actually selected some models that I feel what's this work I feel will give us the high level of accuracy we desire for this work. And one of them is the orthogonal matching pursuit. And like you see here, I actually made the training I actually did the training, and the OMP works better than the other four. And then I moved over to the last part of this one, which says predict model, and I did the prediction. Say predict model, and I'm predicting the IK data frame, which is the data frame for our live prediction, and here is the response. So guys, please do well to click the subscribe and notification button, and in the next video I'll be teaching us how to use the PyCaret time series. After that, we'll go over to deep learning and then the ensemble method using extra trees. Please, once again, I beg you, click the subscription and the notification button. Help me grow this channel. All right, my name is Uka Benjamin. I'm your favorite machine learning expert. Thank you.